हेलो, आई एम डॉक्टर वंदना बंसल। तो क्या IVF 100% सक्सेसफुल है? बिकॉज व्हेन द पेशेंट कम टू मी दे नीड ए गारंटी। वो बोलते हैं हमें तो भाई डॉक्टर साहब गारंटी चाहिए। सो देन आई टेल देम दैट बिकॉज वेयर द गॉड कैन नॉट गिव यू गारंटी, हाउ कैन ए ह्यूमन बीइंग गिव यू गारंटी? इट इज जस्ट ए प्रोसेस of increasing the chances of pregnancy. It is not 100%. But then, what are the success? What is the percentage? It will depend upon many factors, the cause of the fertility, the age of the patient. But on an average, in an average age, the success rate is 30 to 50%. But the 50% success rate is only when the women is below 35 years. When the women is 35 to 38 years, the success rate drops to 40%. When the women is above 40%, the success rate drops to 7%. So the success rate drastically reduces with the age, and also the success rate will depend upon the center, how they do, how is their lab and the process, because every lab has slightly different process. So keep it in mind, the IVF is not 100%, but if you try 3 times, the success rate goes to 90%. It is just like that. I always say that if you appear in the IS exam, are you always successful? Even if you perform so well? No. So then you have to take 3 attempts. Likewise, in IVF, you have to take 3 attempts, and then only you can say that IVF was successful or not. If it is not successful, then what are the cause of unsuccessful? That embryos are not able to implant. So there is the black hole. So there the scientists are stuck, and a lot of research is going on to increase the chances of embryo implantation.